Completely renovated 3-bedroom/2-bath home in the Hiland Park area of Panama City. Upgrades include a laminate flooring, all new kitchen cabinets and stainless steel appliances, fresh paint inside and out, all new lighting, and brand new bath fixtures. The floor plan includes a large living and dining room, split bedrooms, a family room, and a bonus room that could easily be a 4th bedroom or home office. The laundry room is extremely spacious and connects the main home to the oversized 1-car garage. The backyard is very roomy with a covered patio and a detached workshop shed. There's even a very mature grapefruit tree. This home is move-in ready and is ideal for a growing family who wants to be close to schools, shopping, medical facilities, dining establishments, park and more. All info is approximately and must be verified by buyers if important.